guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ilene. So I'm working on a Christmas project, and of course everybody's gonna say Christmas already, but you know, if you're making things for yourself for Christmas and you know that, okay, around the corner is Halloween, and after that Thanksgiving just rolls right up in there really quick like that, and you got other things to take care of. So you do you and I'll do me, because I have to get this project done. So the other day, Belinda Soto shared her video, or I saw her video yesterday, and I was so excited. She shared her sleigh. Now it wasn't as elaborate as all of this get up right here, but she shared with us how she went online and got the pattern. So she shared the pattern. She said she had the link on her channel. So I went on the link, and sure enough, you go, it takes you to Google, and this is the image that came up. But I kept scrolling, and I found another image, which was actually, in reality, it was the same image, but it was larger. So instead of printing this way, which I printed anyway, I printed the other one, which was a lot bigger, took up most of the page, 8.5 by 11. So this one printed up, and I cut the pattern out on my foam board, the Ready board from Dollar Tree. This is scraps from my previous projects before I even made this. So I didn't really have to go buy a foam board. So this sleigh measures out from tip to tip 11 inches. Yeah, about 11 inches. And what I did with mine, the hardest part was attaching the seat that she created, or that she shared with us, because you can attach one side and think you're going to make it even, but it really wasn't. You really have to take your time and line it up, because then if you have anything on here, it'll be wonky, and the feet will be all wonky. So yeah, mine is not all perfect either. It looks pretty right now, but it's not. Look at all the, can you guys see all the glue in here, and right in here? It's all my glue from the glue gun, because I couldn't get it all lined up and straight. And I mean, you're pretty much building a sleigh. You know, all you get is this, is the printout. But if you take your time and figure things out, she showed us how to do it. You got it. I'll try to link that video at the bottom of my video. So I give her all the credit, because this, when I saw it, I was like, that is an awesome project. All it is foam core, and you can just go from there. So she didn't have a back, the seat to lean on, and there was no footrest. There were no straws here. You could even see my straws are not straight. God. So what I did, I put the seat in, I put the floor in, and then I put the back of the sled in, because I wanted to decorate my sleigh. Not only is it beautiful just to sleigh like this, you could just do it like that, but I want to put this sucker, I want to put stuff on my sleigh, make it pretty. This is from Michael's. So yeah, I want to glue it on there. I use some, you know, I want to decorate it. I pulled out some of my straws from, these straws I believe are from Walmart, and I wanted to put something over here. And this here, it's just, you know, somewhere to, I don't know, I just wanted it so that these two parts of the sleigh wouldn't collapse if somebody just happened to squeeze this in. So yeah, and you can see it's not, this is definitely not lined up straight. It's off balance, so that'll kill me, but I need to move forward. So yeah, and then on the bottom, to attach the sleigh to the carriage, I used her method of the 2 pieces on the inside, and then I double braced the bottom. So I used 2 more pieces to go from this leg to this leg, because this will collapse also. Just the same as here, it will collapse. This will collapse also. You know, I'm just thinking of sturdiness and longevity. So it may be overkill, but that's what I did. And 2 more braces across the back to complete the look. So on the seat right here, this is the seat, I put a double stack of the brace like she did. She said she was going to put a candle up there. I just wanted to make sure I could also put a candle up there and feel, you know, and feel secure that it's not going to collapse. This is not going anywhere, guys. And this didn't take me long. I think it took me longer to print it out on my printer than it did to, you know, put it down on the cardstock, on the foam core and cut it out. And my tip again will be to make sure when you are cutting it out, don't use scissors. It will once again squash your foam in the middle because this is just paper. If you use scissors, it'll pinch it and it'll be an ugly, look at that. It'll be an ugly edge. But if you use your crafter's knife and use a new blade, okay? I can't stress that enough. It will, the sharper your blade is, the better your cut will be. And when you're cutting, take your time. But don't go like a saw. You don't want to do that motion. You want to take your time, start off the foam core if you can, and cut all your straight lines. Like, don't follow the pattern completely. Cut all the straight lines as much as possible and go around, cut your straight lines, because the straighter you get it, the easier it will be to line this up. Belinda has the tutorial, and it was a beautiful tutorial because, hey, it got me to make this, and I love it. Use your imagination. I want to put stuff on the edging because the raw foam, you can see it's exposed. So even if you painted the foam, I don't like the way that looks. So I may find some rope in my stash and go right across these edges, and hopefully, if anything, if you have it in your stash, gold cording would be so beautiful on this. I'm gonna paint my sled, but yeah, you can even use Dollar Tree, what is this thing called? Sequin ribbon. Oh gosh, imagine that. It's painted and then it has this little black sequins all the way around the sled, the edge of the sled. Oh, that is so fancy. So pretty. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna leave this red and white like this. I might paint it. I don't know, but we'll see. And like I said, it's up to you. I mean, your imagination is your only limitation. I even have snowflakes, guys, so I would even take that and put it on my sled. What would make it even faster? Oh my goodness, I just thought of this. Is put all your decorations on and take it outside and spray paint it. You know, you could put all your snowflakes. Oh gosh, yeah. I just don't know what it's gonna do when you spray paint it. That's the problem. And the reason I say paint this sucker is because I got all these odd colors. Although they're Christmas colors, they just, you know, this is children's craft material. It's foam. So I want to make it fancier a little, or a little bit fancier. I'm all flustered right now, guys. I'm excited to get this project done. I hope you guys give it a try. Check out Belinda Soto's channel, please. I'm gonna leave a link probably here on the screen or down below. And I hope you guys share it with us. I would love to get this finished and show it off to her, because she was the inspiration for this sled. And easy, cheap, and very, 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 very cute. So thanks guys for joining me. Leave a comment down below. What do you think of the sled? I'm definitely eager to share with her. So Love you all. Thanks again. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.